Are you ready, guys, to unlock your entrepreneurial potential? This CED program, powered by the Speakathon Club, is your chance to step into a world of possibilities. Choose the red pill and embark an incredible journey of self-discovery and skill development. We will guide you through the depth of entrepreneurship, from developing winning businesses, ideas, to mastering the art of communicating and leadership. Collaborate with the like-minded individuals and build a strong network or our vibrant community. This CED program covers it all: entrepreneurship skills, marketing, leadership skills, and much more. Personality development, communication skills, public speaking, confidence building, and much more. So, what are you guys waiting for? This is your chance to break free from the limitations and build the future you envision. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Register now. Visit the link or scan the QR code to register yourself. Join the CED program and unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. The Speakathon Club, empowering the next generation of entrepreneurs. I'll meet you guys in the next upcoming session. Until then, क्या जब तक क्या दाल रोटी खाओ और हरि गुण गाओ. जय श्री कृष्ण.